did it all by myself. It was just me, myself, and I.
Adesima mo bibia ha ene akwaba e de ba insight tihwe afidie so ebra so se ye de agudie hu ensem e de ebedan etiefo enyina e wo insight tihwe afidie so dwumedia ya to ndi se insight mighty sports na ye hia ya wada awie se dia na ye efisem nko a ensem ekoso wo Ghana a efa ya agudie hu ensem e na ye de ebedan amanfo amano ne de bia anim e Ghana football and as a Ghana sports in Kwahwasem and a year Kahwasem Ewaha. Midi Eddie Caleb Augustine as someone, me producer Dr. Melody and I say Sir Nicholas or no and I watch a Medina come say young family dying a tier 4 and area in the sermon. Now, what time now to me say do me no abo Sabria cause say don't go ebo apemude a inside mighty sports. A good year hunsem and a day babe dying a tier 4 and a akrefo nyina and ewo create tihwe FDA and so and yam ngwana me babe di dwumai me ne mapamfo ene babe di dwumai Foster yaw intiamwa or sports pandit I just say eba agudie mu yempensen mu dia obi ane ne nse obedu dwanse mu ma wangaza wani agye ho sa enso na eba agudie mu nkomhye prophecy say da sumbi wa agudie mu dia na ne ye prophet ba kope sports prophet nankata entwi ya bo asiakon ono so abeka menza ewo efie ha ye ne no eba be di dwuma ene awie ene eye ya wada se dia medin kan no February bosom ni de to so dunu ma fe mpimienu ene edu enwotwe Inside Broadcasting College ene adwumako a aso ya sen ye di Inside Mighty Sport agudie hu nsem efisem ye de eba bedan so pese obeye sentreni papa say ye radio na TV so say meti TV so am ho ayo fe wo pese obeye te say me ana kugudama ewo Ghana ni wiase afa na nyina eye Inside Broadcasting College Santa Maria Blue Cross Junction broadcast journalism video editing camera handling and in your big BFS and adwuma ho de for ni che Inside Broadcasting College obebo ama odai so abam se century free one it was 0540 441-833 0540-441-833 and I say 0504-608-803 0504-608-803 Inside Broadcasting College, a dream fulfilled. Edumekwe and also ya sin ye de agudie hu ensem eba bedan ene awie ewo inside tihwe efidezo. Na ensem na da ponso aye ka hu asem. Ghana yen football na anwe ne se ti se de obi a wati agya so mana hye no no. Watene kurase kakra da wo so go so gya bo ne gya ne be yo wan hwe na kotia so hyewa no wa fe o se sana Ghana yen sports na anwe ne se. Na niema be na ama sports na anwe ne se. Nsem bebre niema nkoye ewo Ghana ye agudie hu ensem. Nti ene ye ba behwe branches miensa ama ya agudie hu nsem no enkoye. Yen stadium ankasa na ye ti akan wo so stadium no condition be na stadium ne wom. Utumi ko hu stadium pa nkonyu abubu washrooms anya adwuma ne ade bibia ye basa ana afen so injunction obi weni we bobo wen boot akotia we so we de Natalia atwi we so antia se no akota injunction de ato ye league so ama ye league no sezi ano se ye sha se na se ye sha se o chena ye nim enti no ye beka injunction no ho asem sanso na ye calendar ankasa ye di dwuma no ho asem te sen injunction ankasa aba ama calendar ankasa so anwe ne sen injunction no anase calendar no so ho asem te sen ye behwe ho asem na yaka na ya hwe ne mpanifo betumi aye wo saa nsem we nyina ho se ne be ya Ghana ya gudie hu ensem enso ebeko enkan na anza na mema mabadwafo akwaba na ya hyehye dwumadie no ana di dwumadie na hyehye so metwa me hu tiawa akogya aboafo nkrato me ba ye de nkomo no bedwehye so
Kata wanite, ukatati yo hudie. Now you're actor, ana actress, professional radio, any TV presenter, video editor, director, cameraman, ana empose TV marketer. Emu biya opesa weyenu. Abakade, abamwama. If we say, Insight Media Network, producers of the award-winning TV series Payday, I want you TV sino, or the Inside Broadcasting College, Abama, a GS approved, and 2 certificates, 4 months to 1 year. No job body kata, facilities, so dear, kama, air conditioned classrooms, any television studios would buy practicals hostel facilities would buy Inside Broadcasting College would buy attachments into additional and yet one more person betting you come also dear Kaise Payday na new movies and so on give it to me a feature the year is over by Inside Broadcasting College your job is assured admissions are cost anything call Santa Maria Blue Cross Junction behind Santa Maria School Complex for 0540-441-833 and 0262-651-002 Inside Broadcasting College, a dream fulfilled.
Additional some will be acquired by Inside Television. So Inside Mighty Sports, any Jumedia when Niguso me producer Dr. Melody, what she Jumedia and a comma. Now my bedroom for Elfia high and no mobile bidding commas. Any bidding can come once no. Yabeshe, young calendar no once injunction a dia to leg in so. And I have to yin stadium Mancasana, ye see a kind was no stadium the condition at the same. You better than to me maintain this stadium no. And no home come any about train and ne away Inside Television. And so, send a being can meeting at the Augustine Asamoah a good day therefore bakope which am baby from Nana Samoa near Fanku Yanim. Sports Prophet Ankasa Waha, entry ya Boesiakon, Sanso, and sports pandit Yao Foster in Tiamont, and there many ya for you and a baby in common Ankasa if you had it. Mamma Abeja for Aquava Nafe, Yamfa Jumediano, and Cheshire. Abeja Mama Baba.
Yeah, you're just so.
Bibia will
call by 1 year's experience into your wedding.
Getting a go for us. I have got a phone and get idea in Ramon, so we were funny, sir. Wedding. It's an Zelja Kotoka. Na Kanyama Ajibubat. As you come up, Mapimeva. The Panatine Bassa. It means 4 panels pa Abomumi and South Wobu.
Sir, I did is here an AC, and is so a see for a purpose. We are in the India Panatis in a buy. A base, a baby assess players in American also. Steve Pollack who say the players and Angas and the penalties no Bumbo and no into assessment and a buy.
But they say Congo for no case Cara for no more chase Yerobo.
Oh, Nasa penalty be any has here a Robbie and I crash penalty Munibi and no maybe.
Only about no more say.
Into Robin Ben of Yarobio. Only your mangas and no by no get by good intentions. It's as a mobile and according to a modern surgeon, so we said a good park and change baby answer. So in Africa, football, a basabi,
enjoy Africa in football, enjoy and a sports prophet, a can't watch him. Now, said you can over Bobo, go park and Mantra and Sana, Wakago from Mazadiana, and just say enjoy. Now, well, and you know who committed to Nayedi and Anope, and I can't stadium Mohasem into a no home common. I ever can't watch him to see. Now, Mamini can say in free Foster so. Foster, in your own opinion, in your view, no, yen stadium, no, the condition to say, who is say?
Got it. Tell me how I wanted the and yet and your crack and send you crack because once I put about Ghana in say international football are very common. Yes. Or like Brady used to say I won't mean access to these matches are board will change it. And now collaborate to me TV so cry issue to work stadium on ball so maybe any party now they better to a had ye home pitch nagas and the bed so and chain home kunya.
Prophet, in your opinion, first I say pitching in stadium in your crack.
Onim, onse Juma Intino, I tie in your Kunya Pa, Eco Stadius, I would run a coche. Na Eana, Ea Sifin Yago. It's answer last season, a crash of full na omo ekopiem amanfuru na omo bo ni FA Cup o amanfuru na ko hen central for ECC tie so akwa amanfuru for park no so a obo nse ene no omo de tie omo share tie so and central for ye tete so ECC so ene ma commentary ade a enye but generally no we will say stadium na stadium no yesa and say the condition enya yenhwe bibiefi eba because we share can 2008 yeba be hosti na ye renovations no ye Accra Sports Stadium ye CC ni kakra ene ko CC baba yara and afi ye benya second bi na be ye fresh ye benya Tamale Sports Stadium bi be ye fresh ananke nim say ade bi ye friend maintenance nke de be ye na nke ntimi aso anu na de na ye fe na ka ho eno ne ntimi nye onim say the green grass technology for ye hosti wafu ye almost 22 matches within the space of almost less than 16 days. Etimi maintaining one pitch at the border tournament. I didn't maintain a pitches, and especially with our green grass. If the pitch is very, very nice, I think it enhances and then it beautifies the game. Because when you say football and I say even show TV show, it talks about the color. What you say, color is something that looks attractive. Emma be IFA. Oshe and European games and I mean and they can once and now on pitches now. Oshe Stadia, Oshe Jessica, almost share, now she park and now she near my course for FA. Now and you go Pimo or buy a stadium, Kranas Ocean Kunyana, Yayana, Sini Nana, if you poto. Ah, you chuck camera putra and Nefe. So what I say, but Anna Ninano, you say the Subone bought football people, the Subone air buying fine. I buy need to come in, I buy a Akofesca. At the Ababe Stadium. Wo Okabrane also anyway civil servant. Once we a Juma, we are citizen of Ghana. Yadi a Juma be a show sa. Say one so Stadia national. A man to so annoyed to seek a Gubutu. And as I believe, so called Indian sports stadium this year, and I say Unipanema water park, and Mr. Cobrane Bacope, and Ujina Park, watching pipe holes or brand new jack to be open. Can't we make things happen? Oh, share European games every ever first of year. What I say, they deploy people like 5 or 8. Now, if you almost says you turn away, not among the idea of war from Senegal should be dreaming about from Naif. Indeed, Ayana Ayasifem, Senator Minion Ekano, who share pie conditions of pitches, and yet Ediana Stars, who share Champions League or Mubu Intino, Doma Koya Pitchino, or Mayana Efe, Dream Chelsea, Dell Stadium, Kohe. Almost all might be a man, but our major problem is maintenance. And yes, I didn't know. Unim say Prince will see 2018 tournament. Yes. And into any could be for a buying a Kuchi 12.5 million Ghana cedis at the moment of new renovation or any sports stadium. But when you idea aim a year and they say by any Yamaya less than 3 years. Sir, renovation you better know about him. Over 35 years in here, a grassroots stadium, my friend on any sports stadium, any friend is a scoreboard, any Juma. What I say, I ask him, intimate, I ban the stadium near the idea. It's all I say, a collective responsibility. Who are buying this carbon, stadium. Once I have 5 years, your canoe, and so you once you had what one session, Grofono did you man, as also here. And the air, they say in a bedding, the banner I have.
Fine. Fine. Menko Foster, so Misano, still on the condition of the stadium, no. Even floodlight and Casacra says, yeah, Bobo, Nata, a Sumba, yes, son, and Casa, and also near Juma. Says, yes, oh, Bobo, that's a Bob 5:30. See, I'm on Patasha, this all the torchlight. And that's a game, this a mopo. Oh. If only be a talk of a cross sports stadium. Say, it's
one problem. They say it's not only about football. The stadium in Ankasa how no is embedded in the maintenance culture of Ghanaians and society. Yes. Oh, say we stadium in Tonchenya. You need a baby. You see, you team has to ye. Whatever you acquire, ye. When you my ye or mine, be a baby, you better fair.
But I've actually maintenance.
Near Bush can be class. But you will be a baby academy so ye no. And so yes, because I believe the stadium ne how no and who associate and cost that much. So what can stadium say? That's all cycle build there. And no better for scrap and say, Obe maintain, then I'll be say if you're baho or Brani ever who apple power cake. Bibi back now what tobacco in the aperture. Oh, here stadium, no one say you call inside no. The washroom, her bottles are any party ever go. Yet, it's for that time. Oh, man, the company of the old. Yeah, for any better for no more for no. And yeah, baby, a ticket and yes. A chain, a castle, and you know, how as a nation, me, I feel say Ghana Hangasano say, would you or doesn't this say, obey Desmond Petty or and was said when you be obedient. That's it. You can't just leave something like that. It be just say stadium any day you will need a stadium so yes. And you will need to show Makaso money say na me you can. And it will be what and first one. And the people on call round and check it. And so what check us when you money here, what do you do to the person who is responsible for it? And the Caleb, I feel say it's about time I see a TNA as a country. Because football I say fine. But once I say football Nagatano is a beautiful game. Yes. The backbone, passing. Yeah. Ball, your face, say, pass here. We pass it. We are now pitch Nakasa and now so be passing. All back up, then go.
na pem
so biam as of oguso inside TV so yebaji ahomitiawa yebatin abasisia
kata wanite ukata ti yo hudie now we actor ana actress professional radio any TV presenter video editor director cameraman ana empose TV marketer emu bia opese wo ye no abakade abamuama every say Insight Media Network producers of the award-winning TV series Payday wo UTV sino or the Insight Broadcasting College Abama GS approved into certificate 4 months to 1 year no job body kata facilities so dear kama air conditioned classrooms any television studios would buy practicals hostel facilities woba Inside Broadcasting College woba ko attachments enti wadisia no enye den kwa wo mo person obesi ni twamo so dear kaise Payday wo ho na new movies enso wo ho a yebetimi a feature the here so beba Inside Broadcasting College your job is assured admissions are cost anything call Santa Maria Blue Kiosk Junction behind Santa Maria School Complex for 0540 441 833 and 0262-651-002. Inside Broadcasting College, a dream fulfilled.
Yes, I'm a chef when you now by Inside TV video so Inside Mighty Sports any Jumedia when you go so wo to make the wide entry at the 0242 907 643 0242 907 643 for wide entry brand and can come on Facebook on so streaming live a upcoming journalist o search upcoming journalist ubunze mankasa kwaku ba kuni kwaku bize yesin konwa e wo console na cha yeguso twetwen enkomo nti for wo de wide entry ne fa ho a e be kenkan ni nyina e de ama kama na bibia akoso wano yeguso kan yen stadium ho a sugar to say bideka na mbo poso no ko na che bibia yi bize na konka kra sa na ye hwese ne be ya penfo betumi atoto ne meye na amaniam akoso kama na ya gudie no abeye kra behwe na emma se ye bepu akohwe amano no de enura behwe PSG ne Real Madrid arena be ewo dankwase ahwa bomma na so kotoko ne kara e bom match kohwe ni pe ko stadium e ya yire ho adenti na yankasa ya gudie no mum ne yentumi enhwe mani nkoye na amano no de obidie na obon ye ne gie no mum eno ho ana yesi nkonya ye pepu masibre se ne be ya nsema e koso ne enkoye a be ma ya gudie no aye kama no ya hwe ho asema kan na bibia akoso wano nti fo wadwe nkere bra making kan e de ama ma me sanko sports prophet so na mimisa no den se ye na ma ye stadium no wadi waka ho atem kakra but in general yenye den na improve the condition of the stadium
minia medals na ye kase den yenye ni stadium no entimi mfa ne ntoma pa infra se na ndo awoken na obia trupi in ekope Paris Saint-Germain any the Los Blancos for games aba kohwe no ne nyina e busy on let's say that collective responsibility and American was and you nipa back for the sorry and oye any Champions League in man year fair. We should even cry bring higher Champions League now they compare any European far different. Imagine no SUE papa. Now one idea Ghana yankasa ye betimi aye ama stadium netimi aye fair and I say ye football no ye pitch no e betimi aboa ma football na aye fair. And they say unim say any mpanyifo etu anamon yesisi Ohinijan Sports Stadium. Ohinijan Sports Stadium yesisi we are. And then the first priority is etimi and the maintenance. 2 gadgets be anase name be the people who work for the stadium here so omode ebe ye maintenance no and also e ade say den ye focus because almost etimi nya o makade eni omunia mamu hia e de be ya nka kwabna ne ba ko pentimi kita fa go enfa nye se ode ene also ade ba ko ya high ni say ye budget na se deploy scan ye de ko be se kwa eya na siska no ye de mo bi se on fa nkrofo nye adwuma na siska ne fini bottom nti adwuma e se ye de manipa be 4 na 5 no no ko pen nkrofo ba ko ana se onipa ba ko ana mienu bi no no man na siska na aka no na ye nchendi waja se eno ye nyema bi a emwa ye nti se ye me ni kun no ye ya but sometimes no eya na omo di enim no se me sports minister eya ema maintain my office in Kwan say my people down there will do the work to suit what I have to do. That be sometimes what you tibireke say what dey juma na say what dey ade na show sana. Sometimes some na descending more. So what I say because minister sports minister abia akoto akwa the lapses of our stadium. But obi ntimi am solve problem because no ba na akotena soro. Next KB house monje na monkoye. Wa akofom do the work with them. I think say the new in that to akoma we solve our problem.
Nti wako from do the work with them and on a prophet eka ho asem na was ansem we mu no eye owura eye Mensa Joshua e dey asem mi betu jo e proposal mpo no make ye say anka division 1 league mo bo say no ta born Saturdays o make proposal say anka between Monday and Friday nanka wo mo fa mo sa game nanka weekends no yen rent stadium no to other entities e be a private bodies bi nanka ye bi ana say bibisa nanka o monye nanka yani be 500 cedis per family cry na say ye the money pa be 10 now omo kan ye ba kwa bom no ma ya nka 5000 nanka ye fa maintain because division 1 my understanding is that every game on they pay 300 cedis now spectators cry call park na so kura no sometimes sika omo de cry no 200 until the emphasis say 300 ni empha spectators sika 200 500 na the whole day 500 cedis meanwhile say ye renting stadium new to private bodies and on the year program that's you gain between 3,000 to 5,000 a week. First, also say anka a bit me aboana maintenance no agoye.
Yeah, Caleb, I think say me yane nipa no I one thing is say ultimate people be as on sawasa. And then one American president can say on mind be a obekofa obi solution to the problem there is a problem na woni me na oye. Ina so mind be edifa e bia sama wo kan okoka o UK emugu okoka America emugu is that don't cry the way they no grandpo no unza brofo emphasis but yen wo yan kasa ye problem and we know say we need money to solve the problem and at stadium so the fact is yen stadium for only sporting activities.
Yes,
Even major stadium areas in ya bought shows for musical shows na dey be and it still goes on up to now.
but mami no but tama Owura Mensa Joshua make is this argument no sports council as o motiko apai omunti bi da ema Madam Frederica or your management member was sports council ebe kan say the proposal wasn't bad, you know. Me tell in interview no Kwadwo Mensa Joshua Asempa FM host no and an interview no oji to mu say it wasn't a bad idea but I say on I could management side na sports council no and supporting we anything no mbezo oyinani so where the problem is coming from. So you know, to me you know, as we were saying, you know, me personally, you know, I think that it's not a bad idea.
Not at all.
It's not a bad idea. Say Division 1 over rented stadium for 300 cedis. You bet me at the ama unza Santefonia team phones where ye there ye can boom ebusun ni akan boom on inte bia ebusun be 6 and 10 near the amount no my year near Jessica near their maintaining sports stadium no. All right, Adeshimama ugusu inside television so you betwa ye hu tiawa ye besen abasisia
Kata wanite, ukata ti yo hudie. Now we are actor, ana actress, professional radio, any TV presenter, video editor, director, cameraman, ana empose TV marketer. Emu biya opesa weyenu. Abakade, abamuama. If we say Insight Media Network, producers of the award-winning TV series Payday, what UTV seno, or the Inside Broadcasting College, Abama, GS approved into certificates, 4 months to 1 year. No job body kata, facilities so dear, kama, air conditioned classrooms, any television studios would be practicals, hostel facilities, Uba Inside Broadcasting College, Uba attachments, anti wadisiano, and yadin cry. One more person best in the Tremon so dear, Kaisa Payday Woko, na new movies and so on. Give it to me a feature. The Yanis over Inside Broadcasting College. Your job is assured. Admissions are cost. Annuity call Santa Maria, Blue Kiosk Junction, behind Santa Maria School Complex for 0540-441-833 and 0262-651-002. Inside Broadcasting College, a dream fulfilled.
Adeshimama ya mamunyina akwa babie mede ba inside television so inside Mighty Sport and New Media ohwe no for adwen kirefa 0242907643 na yenkenkan ma enya menkwa na medi dwuma no prophet na kasa ewa sports prophet entwi ya boesi akon na sports pandit ya Foster intiamwa omunyina age adwa ya dwudwa insemu ade ama oni ahwe nsem a ekoso ewo oman mu ene nia ezese ye na ma ya godie ho ensem akọ enkan message ba ko bi aba meka ho asem if you omono answer mo achimo across was say hey enti yen stadium pani God save us or say God save us and this onyankopon save when save yen stadium there say the anwen ne se no yen as a penifo etu ho anamo na afi yehwe ye betumi aye well abadjafo esama makwa babiem e de badje ndwumade no so ye to ye ndwumade no so na Yamfa stadium na sem no nkoto kakra.
But now me pese with irrespective to a year we na other activities you betimi arrent ama omo so ma be ye no. Yen hwa de o se major shows de se na me nuane ka no. Ukọ amanoni be bibia yetimi age e de bo major shows. But adienti ana National Sports Authority ebemu ebeka say ensema ene yenua na ye okwa Ashanti Regional National Sports Authority ono yom coordinator ono one fan to be for one kasa kutupuru na be press conference aka say wo de wa dreamba it's not for my proposal it's not for my baby sometimes you know we take a decision and I will can say there wo pay form down what you say nti say ebia bibini am pay for betimi atai wachi but enya no na me pese me hwe yen hwe in a way say people anka sports National Sports Authority and ababontin and this statement aba say na yen so mfa ade ne say na yen nyina ye bobo hu na efa ne say na division 1 kra na moko park bia ni it all come to how we can make our football better. So what na make can say football na better who blame and who say division 1 for with yen fan current ya na bibisa yen na football na den enyefe and other sporting disciplines and bienjina ye leagues no yen sponsors yen develop na enyefe we shouldn't let be yen for any koto so say and any the fans should come from other way and then we should build more and then rent it for funerals and other purposes.
My main concern, my main problem is maintenance. Building it,
so what
the structure is there.
So if you are advising, we should advise and concentrate on how we can maintain it, how we can make the leagues get proper sponsors, and then at the NTIC Stadium, Nankasano, but we can't stop a league game and say it can't happen that way. So what is I going to say? Until that's Saturday there, say and they went here a year, fine. I know they maybe that I don't support that. But sometimes your ordinary days, holidays, be no football or no sporting activities, of course they are. That's where you can. But what you mean as a Division 1 games in the year be Saturdays. Near Quaco Fair, with that one, I don't think that it will help. Near say solve it, now you come and see a concentrate to.
All right. Committee will be okay. Fact, many are doing to some extent, but also how about you all say your clubs, any stadium.
Yes.
Because Kumasi Sports Stadium, I get Bucha Yensiama Kotoko, and the Yensiama Division 1 team be a cast with the same thing. Or how na you are Hanakasan say clubs no na use stadium in your money.
Yeah.
So that's what I say. And the clubs no ain't mean provided enough money to sustain it. Then we need money from elsewhere. Because ultimately enko Wembley say Division 1 ball Wembley. NC and NC so that. And Division 1 team and just ball Kumasi Sports Stadium and this what I say but no senka Mbappe park bi na ko man young guys come on my boss no they are using where they don't have to it say if say everybody side any na authority where so interest ka buti into for these teams to pay and if they can't pay there then they use they live there because Tottenham for Wembley they paid
yes
they paid and they've been able to pay a team say omo entimi ntua ba say edan kakraka na yesi dia chawo na wo mu amount so an osika 20 cities o timi maintain enti we tu afiri no ko han ya wo betimi eni say sa na o ka de ne ya mo mu trace ka butin bi but if say clubs they can't pay there then we need to find the resource elsewhere at least for the meantime a year or two can say that program start here when we're able to restore it into its place then we can think of other things to do.
Me make try to when say Osha clubs in Angasano one man show what you say and a league so league Ghana Football Association Ghana Football Association so what you say and the ultimate quality football association be our South Africa and funding target say Ghana Football Association branch so what in American say which means the nation and I say a buyer need to also come in and a buying facility and almost here then or Budusu irrespective say no yeah we can compare ourselves to that of England and stuff. Who in India, who say be almost city be our club.
Yeah.
So what does encourage no club be a house of folk and as has been Olympics crap on Ubiano Ebenyanka be a teaching Nanka Stadium one for Olympics. Maybe I'll buy Biosua and also for has. So what I say, the building a contributed. So with that angle there, I don't think we can apply it over here. So as in American I see if you look at our big giant clubs, they don't have their own stadium. So how much more say oh catch a Division 1 club or pay back no win?
It mete the organizing it per near Foster kan here. And yet Foster kan name twa sikabuti be ntoko.
Na obedient ya link
what do you say they go what do you say go find a player
it's one of the things we are maintenance and once yeah maintenance when you say we use it na ebo shoes shatawale money and they economic shoes do you know the damage they cause to the pitch itself before even the stands and then kuma say e ko ni anhija e ko hunfo ni hwe se ne nyema na ekoso in terms of we are sitting at the no who say on boss that shows now mo gire na city so mo ntena so
will you agree with me say pitch na ho asem a working players na nkasa na omo wo pitch ne so na omo si akan omo boot ni ase ni abe endudu pitch no
oh find that angle and make catch us looking at the masses echo those shows and the people who troop in for the stadium minia reverend oyeka say last na oko onija akohebo wo hwe nipa dodo kura eko eni osu cemetery abako ye na no do so say eko stadium no what I say you can compare that and wo hwe how I treat pitch in terms of ABA sporting activity now it doesn't happen to the other things because we share and no I raw what they do on normal stages what they do in every place amoye yi and I say omoye concert bia na sa na mo deploy e say nkunya no kwese omo tena so obi ko wo shima ko bi tabe me say sa shows no ko omoye no crack on the stadium na say so as na America yeah kekos any National Democratic Congress when this for ekoyo already look at what started popping up so as I say you know that thing there ebeboa ye benya fund but ade ba ko na me how so ene say says you can the bar e o de den
eno ne that
so be ya bo in Transport Stadium no so be ya bo in Transport Stadium sika na when ye maintenance enye ne abai na ko 2.5 million Ghana cedis e de ma ku be no mo yes project no anything no ya bo shows ye hu scan e maintenance ne ya ga say the BCC Stadium ni bia esa so esa e beja e da ba ko a ye betimi so ade die ni se nkrofo we should find ways and means and nkrofo be ko park no so
okay all right indeed we should find ways and means and nkrofo be ko park no so no na sports prophet e ka ho asem no inside Mighty Sports you made ne ye guso ye twetwe ho enkomo ye hwe okwan ye be fa so ma Ghana ya godie ho nsem etumpon na ma aye kra behwe na nye se ye betwa ye ni akohwe aman hodo so ensem ana aman hodo so agudie hu nsem na ye giant de no e de ato ho metwa me hutia wa akodi aboafo nkrato inside Broadcasting College and afa yudumedie hu ka metwa me ho abasisi a
Kata wanite, ukata ti yo hudie. Now we are actor, ana actress, professional radio, any TV presenter, video editor, director, cameraman, ana empose TV marketer. Emu bia opesa we yenu. Abakade, abamwama. If we say, Insight Media Network, producers of the award-winning TV series Payday, what UTV seno, or the Inside Broadcasting College, Abama, GS approved into certificate, 4 months to 1 year. No job body kata, facilities so dear, kama, air conditioned classrooms, any television studios would buy practicals, hostel facilities, Woba Inside Broadcasting College, Woba attachments, into Wadisiano, and Yadin Cry. One more person betting you come so dear, Kaisa Payday Woko, na new movies and so on. Give it to me a feature. Dear Yanis Obaba Inside Broadcasting College. Your job is assured. Admissions are cost. Annuity call Santa Maria, Blue Kiosk Junction, behind Santa Maria School Complex, for 0540 441 833 and 0262 651 002. Inside Broadcasting College, a dream fulfilled.
Adesima my time will be akwa ba e ba Inside Television so agudie hu nsema na eguso ayede ema mono obetumi e de wadwen kire e de afa 0242 907 643 0242 907 643 ni akenkan e de ama kama we efi kwaku baako se yen stadium ne de se de adrega no e se aban eye ne obetumi biara na odisiesie no nti ohun infonini na etwagu TV no na were akọ ne ho pa na nya no nkwa na ne were Ghana for yenya ye were ho san se stadium ankaza ebi agro wo so no se nkoyi a ye twen na ebu agumakum nipa ansana yetuhu anamon etese ye mpenfo ehwe eka ho asem ye the stadium hu nsem no beto kakra na afi yadane ani e de akọ ye next story ye hwe injunction a ye de to ye games so House of Folk and the first injunction to Ghana in Premier League so way back 1976 if in 1976 ebano we sorry maintain me ho ase no the court injunction maintain me ho ase or the court injunction the abesi ene 2017 2018 league aye ba beboy Great Olympics oli gbogbo oli machi oli konson fanka na ka homa me omo the injunction akoto league ni so ese omo ni Beijing United games bi akoso o Beijing Foko use unqualified player ema ehun sem bebre inti Accra High Court the injunction ato yen league ni so insusu be na dey ba mamisa nko bedwafo nchen Mr. Mu entry abo esi akon e sports prophet na nkata na Foster ya winti amo ya fo mienu no maka omuti abo ma ene omone me redare so ankata go fi ha enye atem ketwa nti yenko je o madwe nkyere enhwe injunction na nkasa na ye de to league ne so no insusu so ben ene de ba Foster mamisha si mfiri so court injunction ye bebo ball hwe ne ye me ahometesem kakra ne se hwe se teams ahodo coaches ayo mo preparations nyina na the following Saturday 10 February and anke ye be start league no na ne Monday before Saturday no you see the injunction at league no so in your opinion no odwen ho say
frankly 2018 the word injunction it was so Ghana and ya good emo mama say as them gakra because we have Olympics a problem now. Me aka say me problem in Olympics in specifics because if the Olympics I feel say omo you aggrieved one way or another they are free to express it. Oh yes. But me problem na aka say unqualified player. This is how word you know. To be frank, but the boy at least with these major leagues we are say UK DA ne Spain DA the word unqualified player me kind news ba ko kra me will be that. A player will be unqualified because me tell you, minimum Chelsea a player so I register for league ni na. Minimum ni na free 3 ekosi 3. Enti Chelsea for bar minimum nipa obetimi abebo nipa onti mamebo. Obia nim ewo net so obia utimi hu team a player so register. And then say player go yellow so red o at least into obien to me who say place when already who say over ball grandbo ye ball tournament anybody dimba na card enra ebo yo mubuyi Tottenham ne Juve Tottenham nipa no go try no Sergio Rea o twa ye pena ebeda say misses next match it is a name blame up to now so bitimi ko bobo say nipa minimu ye unqualified. To be frank and honest, asifim cry, they say igezi. And you know, Olympics they almost how, and then they've gone to the court and a court today in just actually so. But say if you know any league board meeting here tonight, I'm a dear in just waiting about that so. I think say those two entities no, they are just a joke.
They are just a joke. For Prophet, injunction on Ghana League. Says ya menu say Nigeria asati omo ene de omo bomb match day 8. Nigeria bomb match day 8. Ghana match day half mboye moy injunction da so.
Me raho but me ni swaje. The entire mega say me raho ni say on say me nyane kan sam aya me de pa o say ene upie mu a Argentina at this time yewo Bibi in our football say if you be unqualified player on Ufinfa. That be una management and as a technical team no player no mo register na adena mo kofa neba edini beshim na ukonya how nim say adewe no it's okay but me na nko wambra nyina no GFA me blame me omo kese pa onim say that very day on come lunch no I was there one day na yeko PM won central for na yeko du ho na Oluboy Komodo PR for Olympics wa betna ho twen isan say na 4:10 PM o ma serve GFA for letter what you say from court and injunction na to so na GFA for ya serve mo fencing letter say the injunction to so na onim say mo lunch ne ba 6 PM na am press briefings bia na motena seman central fofi chichi ni benche eba mo secretariat ebe waste time till say even local am be briefing and tem here some of us got the information any you say by you go do over 6 by 6:30 na any information that be leg here the junction to so you were still there till 8 almost 8 and sana mobile bontin be catch there say you are sorry and this eno enkodan chain you share the contest at which and you know a day sa tabu nyina aba na asema you bisa ne say one say eya no kuro say nya no kuro say Bechem United if you qualified player no Olympics mo file mo failure esanko appeal failure appeal so what else well enipa go Ghana ha say ya but now guys dey nya enkombre nyina no ye dey so born body because they say no eni abom and microphone to promo down for a lot of people GF for down for and only say one way or the other say microphone Olympics echi and Mount Olympics echi no microphone Olympics echi say chinchina try mama league maso only say me say be buy next topic e be ka calendar ho asem but time calendar ne buy no Mr. Techiahi ono na Techino City ye ne dia oba bontin be ka say league na ngasa maso na ga say GF be di calendar so or say GF calendar so yen yesi omuhu which means there are some people who can see what will come what I say and into any Olympics nko because people are who the case akwa feel akwa feel and then I know say the high court na dia kura e twabe nsuru central for bleeding we yourself emblem go see this week go see our court no omoko ensem yin page ensem ni kura na they themselves on file case their background they don't know the left and right of the case am is your master join the case no but GF for say musumu timi tenase emma a club like Olympics etimi surprise na say omo edimoso na so mo de tabo to Ghana league so Ghana league and as Ghana football we say we are not safe so na at because one you share then kebe 2017-2018 season 2017 but they still call it 2017-2018 league na ngasa emma so uni dey emma so July you be started June July you started World Cup league na crown na nyanshin that way time ben any ba be league na you ba go first round ni akasi e breaki akobo World Cup crown so sasamba aba beto so me nyan ke be yan ka desi ye no yan fando to yini ma ye nkrofo e ye stadiums no and a stadium ye sisi and aban so see oba be ye artificial turf I think say your broadcast sponsors that is start time almost in collaboration with the government artificial tests be a lot of them yenya botre na this year fancy nyama yi o ka Nigeria almost until some maybe link ka wafun ko mo babo omo wie answer no mo deploy omo players no the players man go come but only the second in the wafu tournament yes and so no we league that so na dey no so my problem now no and they say GFA yes penny dey otnase na member say do am for say but to talk so otnase pana say all these things are happening I think say we Ghana we are never safe but Nigeria for ya dey bi say Ghana etimi say dey na ebe boy unim say the late Stephen Keshi is so may rest in peace near there but on the time I dey mantie young chap eba beje 2015 AFCON omoba to AFCON eba beje the last AFCON no unkofo bebre ka say anankwala nkitinkitin near there and they have problem with their FA and mo dissolve omo FA ni na obi omo pam obi a and Nigeria football afan to mapa ifria amomo coach create me nominate no e ma ne ba CAF awards I think say Ghana we need to do a lot of scrutiny. See, everybody dissolve here Masa, we need to do that because say we are tenacity. Not a club like only Olympics at league so instead of for you left and right about the league. Masa, ya rosem.
Aya rehosem, ibeka ye huti awakwaje aboafo nkra to efi inside broadcasting college wo ye ba ye beto adwumadi ne so.
Kata wanite, ukatati yo hudie. Now we are actor, ana actress, professional radio, any TV presenter, video editor, director, cameraman, ana empose TV marketer. Emu bia opesa we yenu. Abakade, abamwama. If we say, Insight Media Network, producers of the award-winning TV series Payday, what UTV Sino, or the Inside Broadcasting College, Abama, GS approved into certificate, 4 months to 1 year. No job body kata, facilities so dear, kama, air conditioned classrooms, anything television studios would be practicals hostel facilities ewo woba inside broadcasting college woba ko attachment enti wadisua no enye den kwa wo mo person beti ni twemo so de kai se payday wo ho na new movies ensi wo ho a ye betimi a feature de hia ne se obeba inside broadcasting college your job is assured admissions e cost anything call Santa Maria Blue Kiosk Junction behind Santa Maria School Complex for 0540 441 833 and 0262 651 002 inside broadcasting college a dream fulfilled.
Adesimama mo bibia san kwa ba bi me de ba inside television so mo brede mani so papa president say obi benya bratra ne TV ho ahwe o program de na chese odwuma de no so eso aniti medamase say mo je bre etra muti hwe afide no ho na mo hwe dwuma de a ekoso inside television so agudi hu se mo na eguso ayede dan mo no abadwafo mienu ewo menchen wo ha ne ye ne wo mu edi enkomo edefa Ghana okwan ye befa so a ye agudie nu ebetu empon na ma bibia akoso kama na bibia aye krabehwe na tenem din kankan ye ntu nkohwe amanhodo so de na mumieni bekan yemfie ezanze yesi efie ni fie nti wude wo fie a ade wo fie a oye fantefo ne kan sa asem no nti no ye momoden se ye beye ni betumi na ne wo yemfie no ebeye ye na ma ye ni ekun ye hwe injunction a yede abeto yen Ghana yen league so Great Olympics akotam de abeto Ghana yen league so insunsu aso ben ene de eba na anza na no tama e the message back if Santa Maria or say the sport should be banned completely from Ghana. Here poor management, poor leadership. Tama ene de sa message we eba ye na mamenka sa sa comment ho asem kakra me be de phone ka ho asem kakra tama say sports yam banned completely from Ghana.
Oh, na didn't to some extent. Sports in general, I think the other facets need be more now. Mr. Chairman, so you can see a banned sports in general. I'm sorry,
Prophet, I say, oh, yeah, dear. Now, I dear no, we in the busy bazaar. We be in a baby na or chichi. Look at what is coming. So what they are then. So I'm not surprised. We have not seen anything yet. When time is coming, it's our messages. You say, "OTI will still program." You get more than this because near cost no time.
There cost no airtime. I know there. Ubeka no credit. I say asem no credit. To sebe airtime. Ghana yen sports no asay. Inti as a pen for share etu hu anamo. Na injunction no insusu so ben ene biaba. Prophet Mamza starting flow so effect of the injunction. The
car effect there, meaning and then the day when you mangasa wushi. Esan say up to now, na Yambo League, na clubs etimi I pre-season. Mo de Galka G Taba, Yabwewi, mo de Galaba, Yabwewi, Edebi, and the train. What you say? Even keeping the class on suspense and the crown idea and yet psychologically grano. Players no send na minion e kan say ne vim kra akofom no short as here also vim be perform because a preparation we dey what target say be a season no goals and hinting na be share why your preparation on pa ebo bi ni ade bi say we here na ultimate program and say we dwumadi aba be di no e be kon kan no and the league ne crown in time eba na e say on time eba na wo one year for say be starting Monday one. How ready are you? You have been ready, but how ready now are you? So what in American in fact today in the form of baby brain. One then American players Nangasano is going to bring their spirits down. Club owners and so see I know my on budget. Budget are on year you know. She says can come start it says the money body my friend players now back spend new players in so sikani dia no mudi league so na yenye hu edapo ebeden e ball league no e ade e asefem e na players go so mutu players leka without the league so that say ye bi so catch the players there with them munko fie go players ni ko fie dey fair league na the players are not training together and it mean na here na GF4 etimi ayi we see sometimes they say the BS e bomb so but you know, say one kasa we are DBA. If you're an architect of something, and you'll be no better than baby, I say you caused it. Because if a club is able to put injunction, look at how superior Ghana Football Association is. So when you see a Ghana Football Association, should it be Ghana national? Is Ghana very small? No. A club, just a club. What is Olympics Kwana? Even though a traditional club, a traditional club, a song, and a club, like in terms of it is broad and as a soccer, but and so see on my Ghana.
Yes.
Short in American, I say. It's effect in the mini because and they say I'm only Neswa. Wouldn't say players, no, and also no Kakra, what you go to, sir. Emma Musubi, Edisha Bushia. A Chiano Gramun Jomukai. Na any sukra so look at what is happening now. Winning bonus is via commuting 5 CD 10 CD via amudi tweet on and ending na emba. And I also a central for and sweet ya abudi and one idiot. Stories in the Cabra bring the one legi and I keeping domestic ones adding actual. Intimia as a case effect there, a by the way forward no, I think say actually the GFA need to step up because Olympics can they are confused. I'm confused. So the GFA have to step down and then pull it. They can also make it.
Yes, opinion what nefie ma enkwara win anka no.
Yebu na kan for
oka ho. Say at times headlines ones are crowd them person make kokra because I know who asem crowd the whole story on its own. Start times and sponsor broadcasting. Omo nzema ba to just say injunction no affect one. First, in your opinion, no. What do you think?
Ebe affect them seriously because the first start time in here and then they employ people. Yes. So I say the pay big chat league, you know, and the pay big home and then all the cabinet, and then they plan it using the data on what the league best at, and then they've assigned all these rules to people. Nipa ebabaye or mobile on neighborhood the will programs and so on. In the ones there, you just boom injunction just at that time, then they'll be deeply affected. And then one thing I have crying fans, because Ghana lose about 80% of football fans to foreign leagues. Did that? Obinam street is what or no nim has cry a player about grading. But when him play a beer of football appreciating. Now 20%. Hardcore fans now, your whole league no so. We are going to lose about 10% now. Because Nipa na train league na more. And so amount for everybody to yay Champions League soon. Ronaldo should go yay. Ye ball league Chelsea go yay. No okay. Kaka the person's mind no be tune to all these leagues from local leagues. Oh we are. What cap to say mini yay. Ghana crash wa Janko Bianca. No I say Ronaldo. What ever to me no. A very difficult when you will be grab stadium because of the name because you know on the side of the fans no someone have been here on the Saturday no on the empty stadium it will be a congo because will be a nipa na bread my bro when nipa na trafia can you tire na be bedroom said taboda so then when you start people will not even care you know and so one side
one side ebe ha adwin no na Foster inti amoa de atudwa na area ba ko a ha adwin na metie interview between the vice president GFA ene Kwabena Mensah Moshoeshoe asempa sports ultimate host no na Kwabena Mensah Moshoeshoe bisa say ye league no ye bebo ana. I was shocked and surprised to say George Free Mr. Eka say that question that Kwabena Mensah Moshoeshoe has asked is irrelevant because he knows say on sports fraternity. Definitely he should know say once there is an injunction on the league, the league will not come on. But he has forgotten say that's where I came in. He has forgotten say Kwabena Mensah Moshoeshoe as a media person represents the ear and the eye of the general public because many why you tell bonding yen to me in free and fear and man me bisa GFA say president say league ye ba na yembo host no media house no be bisa question no na no tifie no so enwa ya agbema no atona sum no wahu say ye nam benkum anase ye nam nifa so atama George Free ye kan say it's an irrelevant question me real way and prophet din kan leadership nankasa nye send Nigeria dissolve omo efe no I wish senka Ghana be here yen dissolve efe no
they say be here kase yen dissolve that is what I want you to say because no e back up yes because they need say George ne be sha na George was under any Mr. Kusinyantechi, true or false?
True.
And I'm civil servant in for people in now the back platforms now bush nebusa because irrelevant idea. They all told the same line. Into your movie and now then now who be anybody make us say this is what is going on wrong in a sector. Charlie, boy form. But say Papa can say irrelevant. One, me share angry. Unim say adie yenim say league every year bo. Into only to know or pass say or catch the could say could do league no every year be bo ti be bo. But no unim say adie no could do fact be e baby a meso and as a woso enim say league the emma so that. That was why could you ask that question because he knew say emma so. But on say omo ni near so yeni. Yeah. They take us for granted because say a team like of Ghana Football Association, Mr. Kwesinya Tejiti Miba one thing say and then sports journalists for no we can't compare ourselves to Kwabena Ebuamuni and the other. I think one way or the other, no comment.
Wabu enimtia papa beza ni say adwin ni ba ku fo trim ebe yo nwanwa ashoke o say akwala ketua kure bia wadi mfirihia nu be mo adwen kire a wo pani no sa adwen na ma utrim. No, football people in Penifu and leadership no, they are taking us for granted. Adeshimama, as a brass say, you're sorry waka, na yakasa, say, FNU, ye be dissolved, yen dissolved no. Nothing yen started for sending Nigeria for dissolving as say Nigeria sports na form to my pay frano. Yen dissolved no, na yen so yen force no, and fan to my pay frana bibia and koso kama. When you go so I work inside television. Inside Mighty Sports and ye guso ye ho amaniebo e de bra no ye betwa ye hutia wa ye ba behwe ye calendar nangaza na sesi ano eno so se kunkon ho se bia ho ye ba sesi ye ba behwe ho asemaka
Kata wanite, ukatati yo hudie. Now we are actor, ana actress, professional radio, any TV presenter, video editor, director, cameraman, ana empose TV marketer. Emu biya opesa weyenu. Abakade, abamwama. Every say, Insight Media Network, producers of the award-winning TV series Payday. What UTV seno or the Inside Broadcasting College Abama. GS approved into certificate 4 months to 1 year. No ajo body krata. Facilities so dear kama, air conditioned classrooms, any television studios would buy practicals, hostel facilities, Woba Inside Broadcasting College, Woba attachments, enti wadisiano, enya den kra. One more person best in the Chemo so dear, Kaise Payday woko. Na new movies ensu woko, give to me a feature. The Yannis Obeba Inside Broadcasting College. Your job is assured. Admissions are cost. Annuity call Santa Maria, Blue Kiosk Junction, behind Santa Maria School Complex for 0540-441-833 and 0262-651-002. Inside Broadcasting College, a dream fulfilled.
And it's my time on my be made by Inside Television. So Inside Mighty Sports and you go so I de ho and some other at the air diamond. Message back one a better medical injunction on with Virginia but with 0 or say I don't know why there is always an injunction on our league. Ghana will continue to lag behind in terms of sports and a Gina a day by say Menegina ya doing say ene injunction or China injunction there. Ama who running na abeko enim Ghana near that shooting yadani osu abrobo yetibia yetim ye kwa final topic for the day as we yemre no ekodada calendar nankasa na ye use no e ho asem te sen 1 year mpo ye hu so if akofa 3 years calendar e de aba foster if calendar na omo de ba ye no sezi anjanje no kura san twi time e sen ka calendar na start na kwa echi ye kwa na ye ba
yeah, but I think the calendar nangata no me who ano to be frank and honest because to prepare a 3-year calendar what are you anticipating?
I'm going to mean
because it's a very long time and you're prone to so many mishappenings. We know what will happen. Intina above no planning for just 1 year. 1 year that's enormous sign. You see, they can go for different sponsors and other things, TV right, BCNG for the next year. So you can't prepare a whole 3-year plan for something that's as dynamic as sports. I don't mean back on here or 30, but I think it's very relevant. Papa Nikan
Sports Prophet.
Only me identity and they 3 years in our. Me be me and so young in Central for. Debiana GF for Munja green events a blueprint to say then ember. Na you munya calendar and any navigate break any time. Yakasasa.
Nasa yakasa.
And nobody aba.
No, the point is.
And then you know.
The point is. You hear calendar na a beg guiding you through the season.
Now we had a guide.
In 19 grand damn league so I
didn't say any about calendar. Only be a problem. Your problem no any about the calendar. It's about how well our calendar no saving say 1 month and 2 months, 1 year calendar now draw. How effective and how a slave you beat your calendar. I say o budget away. So what I say, if you enslave yourself to your budget, you become successful. So what in America I say. And you know the only thing they say was on the 18th, my calendar no, on the 18th. And in Djibouti ni Ghana ebe second league no o hwe calendar ni so a eho on the 18th February eno ebeba so because I game na eba so so at I say omo di so and calendar is not for only league and I say Premier League ni ko it's for the Division 1 FA Cup the national sporting activities ni na wo so at in America na say so the best thing is calendar ba ehu blu ha ni nyina no ekosi ya ne se ne be nyina ne betime di calendar ne so yie na aboa ene ne betime aboa yi
se ne ye nyina be hwe edi calendar ne so yie na aboa na me de ka menko de anka 3 years ne yemfa nto nche na anka ye nya 1 year a de hwe se ne ma be kwa na 3 years ne de to me in my opinion the 3 years in there emwa message back on if in na ma so to say let's forget about the 3-year calendar 1 year mpo ye hu so hwea na na ma hwea de hwea
it is another message na na ma e de e ba ye bre no ekopa ye bre no komeko mabedwafo ho na omo de omo final comment
ya ba in about maximum 1 minute obi anfa the final comment and afutu de be ma ye leaders no leadership skill no afutu ben na bedwafo e de wo ma won se ne be ya yen sports no e be konkan ma me say free foster final words in 1 minute
me be kan nyina ne se ya futu enkomu bia o man na ye wo mu no yankasa ye man no intaduma bi oni bia on saka no yiro ho ye UEFA yiro ho ye OCC stadium yiro ho ye o ye player na ogina pa so bobo a sua bobo ni ye boma ne nyefe se ye nyina tumi ya on se super powers na wo ho UK league ginam Spanish league ginam now so Brazil for so league so ginam though enye as big as the UK force come benya now so Brazil league over China league Nigeria league South Africa cry league efe so really in Kenya cry league efe Kenya pop be no mo enti rig guys of people adwan call about for leagues no you bet me still I am my dey na efe ama you be ni pa hwe asa hwe enti no obia no I think say it's about time say nyina better say no bia dey adwuma yi na o man no football no so eti me fa ne to ma better
obia ndi na adwuma yi na oman no football enfa ne tomapa infra eno na foster yaw intiamwa odi eja yen meko sport prophet so na ono so ne final comment odi eja yen prophet
ya kodia futu enye futu but ya sama yi nyina ye ka ye dia to yekoto dwem isanse Ghana ha sei no e bia kasa bebre ye tufu da bia ene grese ye nsentro na ye ye sports journalism no kura no omu huso saa but yen so ne betimi aka ne se ene is a football no ya tag on say football nation na the intimi football ni ya table tennis they are doing very very well and then Gold Coast Australia eba so April we no believe me Derek have been finding the team no omo ye strong I was there omo anye collapse omo ye justify as an normal pick at their games omo ye justify we o hwe arm wrestling obe hosti competition 15 countries e wa ha omo the creative federation am I no Africa e dey omo come na Africa go any federation for arm wrestling
and I'm Charles Osesibe
on the president
yes
koso am any word for abecom and any koso why don't we put our focus on the other disciplines and the mayor of Accra say obe Boama Bishop Kanya ade akoso I think say if the football we are sick and tired of football alone boxing koso so sports is not about football senior most of us and as a sports pundits ya tagi say football some of us we don't do only football even the women football cry anything and me and be an say o see entufu na yetufu there I think say football na moya let's concentrate and help the other sporting disciplines.
Let's concentrate and pay attention to other sporting disciplines. And no, and now sports prophet Yao entwibu asiako odi eja yen aha ana brebe ma yen kwan ma ye di ndwumedie ni nyina esi medin e di Caleb Augustine Asamoah na ase kese enkoma Inside Broadcasting College so omo so ya se ni e di dwumedie no ebro wo pese obeye sentweni papa ana bibi e fan sentweni ho de for wani kire Inside Broadcasting College ye kire eye video editing film directing film acting ni nyina wo kire e wo Inside Broadcasting College obrofo sam enka senya media enka na mema na hawo ye kire English na ye wo tree session ni nyina e wo Inside Broadcasting College for wani kire wo sisi a na wo mbo afre impenifo e wo 0540 441-833 0540-441-833 na omomo ansa na mesori memfa nchi akese enkomo mia medofo baako gina yeboa asare wotie yen papa wo hwe yen live wo ni fie nti gina baby awo bia micha sanso na Porsche adwa kunadu micha ene anope midi e di Caleb Augustine Asamoah wanti minka bi ma dasene yebesi yesinkonya ne di Inside Mighty Sports e di Abraham Makramo